Sheridan Lifts is an independent company, installing, maintaining and repairing all types of lifts. Established for over 40 years, Sheridan Lifts has been passed down through 3 generations. Sheridans operate throughout the UK and supply lifts to the public, private and domestic sectors. Our in-house experts allow us to tailor a competitive package to suit your building's requirements. Our specialist installation teams all carry trade-specific certification. We install lifts in demanding, high-impact leisure and residential environments, critical to the building's operation. As part of our service, Sheridan can assist with the building design from the outset, providing lift traffic analysis studies, determining sizing and number of lifts required. This enables efficient passenger movement and reduced wait times within the building. By keeping ahead with the latest technology, we offer innovation with expert knowledge and a wealth of experience in our industry. Our dedicated team focuses on a responsive and personal customer service, and our trusted reputation is unrivaled in the lift industry. Regular meetings with our supply chain ensure progression and development for even the most complex projects. Our trusted relationship with suppliers means we can always provide you with quality products, planning and projects. A dedicated service team share the same passion to deliver a transparent, reactive and competent service. From our head office in Manchester, the Sheridan service team manage in excess of 4,000 lifts, each with a service agreement to suit. With a growing number of engineers in line with our steady growth, we operate nationwide 24/7, providing a speedy response to lift breakdowns and emergencies. In addition to our abilities to respond, all of our vehicles are equipped with common spares for a variety of lift manufacturers, resulting in a first-time fix and minimal downtime. Offering performance-based agreements has resulted in a number of European outfits choosing the Sheridan brand. Health and safety is at the forefront of our business. We conduct regular toolbox talks and refresher courses to provide the most up-to-date information on legislation and health and safety. To enhance our engineering team's practical capabilities, we have an in-house training facility with lift simulators, improving our engineers' fault-finding abilities in a controlled environment. And with an extensive diagram library, you can count on us for reliable maintenance and repair of all lift types. At Sheridan's, we believe in people, and our work placements have seen candidates secure placement programs, which has further led to full-time employment. So whether you're a facilities manager, architect, building owner or working in construction, Sheridan's will have a solution to suit. As a business built on transparency, we have the infrastructure and ability to provide each client with a personal touch, with complete confidence that our all-round service will always be with you, every step of the way. Sheridan Lifts, elevating your business.